Birds of a feather. Saying wise things is something old farmers know how to do, and old Farmer Linney was one of the best. And the story he told me one early spring morning is something I've never forgotten. I was walking to work when I met him. Old Farmer Linney was taking a rest on his stick, the result of a very bad stroke. His moving was still very much impaired. He wanted to smile, but his disfigured face wouldn't allow it. His eyes, however, had lost none of their spirit. Old Farmer Linney, I knew, was happy to see me. Then, leaning on a gate, old Farmer Linney used his stick to point at a tree which was not far away. The crows were busy with their nests. Old Farmer Linney told me the coming winter was going to be hard. Very much snow and freezing cold temperatures, possibly the hardest on record. The crows were building their nest low down in the tree, a very bad sign. We spoke a while longer. Then, as I went on my way down the lane, I looked back. Old Farmer Linney was still there where I'd left him. Was he gathering strength, or waiting for someone else to come by? Old Farmer Linney was a man who loved chatting. There were not many people out drinking that night. It was Monday. The pub was almost empty, and the conversation was slow. Then I thought of old Farmer Linney, the birds, the nests, and the weather to come. And wanting to show off and sound clever, I repeated old Farmer Linney's words as if they were mine. Everyone listened. Then everyone laughed. They were all farmers. Didn't I know that crows use the very same nest year after year? And not even crows can forecast good or bad weather. And in any case, the year had barely begun. Then I laughed as well. I had been taken in by old Farmer Linney. His eyes were not smiling for nothing, and I wondered what his next story was going to be. Talking to old Farmer Linney was always good fun. He had very much to tell, and I enjoyed listening. All that was needed was a small pinch of salt. Birds of a feather do indeed flock together. Birds of a feather, John Linney, and an early spring morning.